Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add your Payoneer account in Upwork. This is a crucial step if you want to withdraw your earnings from Upwork directly to Payoneer, making it easier to receive your payments quickly and efficiently. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to upwork.com. Once the page loads, log into your account by entering your credentials. This will take you to your Upwork dashboard where you can manage all your freelancing activities. Now, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Account Settings. This is where you can customize various aspects of your Upwork account, including payment methods. Once you're in the account settings, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here you'll find multiple sections for managing your account. Click on Withdrawals. This section is specifically designed for managing how you receive your hard-earned money from Upwork. Scroll down through the withdrawals page until you find the option that says Add a Method. Click on it to start adding a new withdrawal method to your account. This opens up a list of available payment options that Upwork supports. Look for Payoneer in the list of payment methods. Right beside it, you'll see a button that says Set Up. Click on that and then click Continue to proceed with linking your Payoneer account to Upwork. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter your business email address. If you already have a Payoneer account, you can simply click Connect Your Account instead. This option allows you to link an existing Payoneer account rather than creating a new one. Next, you'll need to sign into your Payoneer account. Enter your email and password in the fields provided. Make sure you're entering the correct information to avoid any login issues. After entering your credentials, click Sign In. This will authenticate your Payoneer account and prepare it for connection with Upwork. Follow the Payoneer prompts and approve the connection to Upwork. And that's it. You've successfully added your Payoneer account to Upwork, and you can now withdraw your earnings seamlessly through this payment method. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.